Click for IB Biology. Here we're looking briefly at the medical application of Isotonic Solutions. There is a PDF of this presentation down in the description and some questions down there, 10 I believe, which also have answers for you to check your progress. So a quick video, this one, where we're looking at medical applications of isotonic solutions. So recall that isotonic means that for animal cells like our own, the amount of water leaving the cell is equal to the amount of water entering the cell. So the cell volume and the structure of the cell is kept constant and stable. And this is the ideal scenario. So the concentration here equals the concentration there. That's what we mean by isotonic. And the movement of water doesn't disrupt the cells. So why would you, what are we doing medically? Well, in medical applications, you can see here that this is a sodium chloride solution, and this can be connected to a person intravenously. Usually you can see the needle and so forth is here, and the control valves with the catheter, the tubular system, to deliver the fluid here into your bloodstream. And one might need this intervention if you have become dehydrated. So we're trying to rehydrate you. If you are dehydrated, your blood becomes concentrated, and that disrupts the flow of water, encouraging water, in fact, to be lost from your cells. So we want to stop that. Intravenous fluids are given, often surgical situations, so that where you have blood loss, you can maintain your blood volume through the application of isotonic units. Washing wounds is often done with isotonic solutions as well, so that we're not disrupting them. Nasal irrigation, for those of you who have things like asthma and various forms of nasal irritation. If you use contact lenses, then these are kept in isotonic solutions as well, because of course, if you're going to introduce them onto the surface of the eye, which is cellular, then the concentration of the fluids in which your lenses have been kept must be equal to that of the cells, so that we don't cause dehydration in the cells, in the eye tissue, particularly on the corneas. It may be that in hospitals you're being given isotonic intravenously, and medications are added to these at the same time, which is appropriate. Diagnostic procedures, ultrasound, people who actually use ultrasound to create this imaging process to look at internal organs often are asked to take large quantities of fluid. It helps to image and visualize the organs and so on. And electrolytes really refers to the original one of hydration, the loss of salts. If you have for some reason lost salts, then it's important that you establish the correct concentration outside your cells and inside your cells. So of course that's the blood. We need to control the blood concentration. So these are all applications of isotonic units, some of which you'll have experienced, others not. So the link to the next video is showing in the window, along to the channel link there, and of course playlist links as well.